Bomb blast can change life in a moment. It is not possible to get a life back. Bomb disposal units in every country are risking their life to prevent terrorist activities. The first purpose of our robot is to reduce the risk to the lives of those security forces. Bangladesh is a developing country. The cost of the project is the biggest concern in this country. So, our main goal was to build the most advanced robot at the lowest cost. High torque gear motors have been used here to move the main base. With the help of IP camera, the user continuously gets the visual data. Four degrees of freedom robotic arm have been attached with the main base of this robot. High torque gear motor have been used here to rotate the robotic arm. RPM gear motor attached with the homemade robotic gripper. The increasing elbow is one of the biggest advantages of this robot. A high accuracy cutting mechanism have been set up with the gripper. The 555 motor used here as a linear actuator in this elbow part of this robotic arm. Microcontroller Arduino Mega and microcontroller Node MCU, which is known as Wi-Fi module, have been used here to control all the operation of this robot. N20 motor have been used here in this increasing elbow part. This increasing elbow has made the bomb disposal work easy. The most important part of this robot is the gas sensors and the metal detector. 4 kinds of gas sensors have been used here. With the help of IoT, a online IoT server named Blink have been used here. The user can show the data of the different sensors and metal detector to detect any mine.